Renewing our commitment to our customers also means renewing our commitment to innovation. This is really about making sure that the core platform that our customers depend on every day to make their major leaps and advances, from cancer research to major drug discovery, needs to be at the very forefront of science. Our systems need to be right there at pace with them.
Wow, it looks so space age. This is so amazing. And there's so much space on it.
When I first saw the I-Series platform, and then as I started to think about our current vision and our current struggles with our workflow, I went, this will solve it. That was my first impression. This will solve it. But my more important thought came immediately after that, and it was, we can do more. We can use this platform to do the next leap, the next generation of how we're going to do medicine. So I'm excited just thinking about all the things we might be able to do.
From the things I've seen right now, it got it all. It fulfilled all the criteria, and I think that's the most important step. The new software interface looks great. You're just moving from an older chair to a newer chair in a new car. You haven't sat in there beforehand, but you feel comfortable immediately with the whole thing. Our experiments is going back with Beckman to the year 1989, when we started with the first Biomec 1000. Then the 2000, then the first generation of the FX, and then the FXP. And you see always a consecutive progress in the whole thing. I would call it evolution.
The quality of the people at Beckman that we get to work with, they're astounding. They're exceptional scientists, exceptional engineers, people who are willing to exchange ideas, to build out, to talk about how to enable something. So it's a huge pleasure.
We understand where we fit into their workflow, how our products can make them successful through the day, the pain points that they may have, and that empathy that we can build for the customer just brings the customer's perspective into every design decision we make.
And voice of customer is both our external customers, those people in the laboratories that we service, as well as people like our field service engineers or our application scientists, those that have to use those products and help our customers be successful in their laboratory.
When I looked at the I-Series, I saw that many points that were addressed by our customers have been taken into account when designing this new instrument. Before I joined Beckman, I was conducting research with automation myself, and now working as an automation specialist really gives me the opportunity to help other researchers to profit from my experiences.
The I-Series is the first step on an evolution of products, solutions, and partnerships that we'll continue to have with customers.
I'm really passionate about sample prep and advancing science. Because of that, every day I wake up and think about, how do I make sample prep better? How do I make automated sample prep better?
What would be a single word to describe the new automation system I saw? Paradigm changing. At the technology level, at the biological understanding level that we'll get, and at what we can do to engage in medicine. They believe in our vision. And I think that vision is very important to how you build out your instruments. Usually it's the other way around. We get something that's already been developed and then we try to enable it and facilitate it to answer important clinical questions. But this is a very different relationship in the fact that collectively together we're trying to do something that we think is of value.
Where do we go from here? Well, we've started here with the i5 and the i7 new systems in the market. But we have a whole host of new product ideas that we've gotten from the customers as we've listened to some of the challenges they face in their research. And we're incorporating those step by step in every new innovation that we invest in. So we have a lot coming down the pipe, and the future is bright.